Our goal in solving this inequality is to find the value of x, which makes the inequality true. First, let's rewrite the inequality so that the left side is only x. To do this, let's first eliminate 9x on the right side. So, we are going to subtract 9x from both sides of the inequality. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the inequality, we must subtract the same number from the other side. After subtracting 9x, the left side of the inequality is simplified to minus 5x. Then, the right side of the inequality is simplified to 15. Next, we are going to eliminate minus 5 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the inequality by minus 5. After dividing them by minus 5, the left side is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the inequality. 15 divided by minus 5 is minus 3. Here, it is important to change the direction of the inequality because we divide the inequality by a negative number. So, x is greater than minus 3. This tells us that x is all numbers greater than minus 3. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the right of minus 3. Then, let's put a parenthesis at minus 3 to show that the solution does not include minus 3. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol infinity, since there is no upper end to the solution.